Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to tint a window. This is a BMW X3. It's not the easiest window to tint, but I'm going to show you how to make it easy. So step one, you're going to cut the film. This is 5% tint. So I'm going to spray it. So I'm going to use the straight edge on the bottom, and I'm going to pull it a little down as well. And I'll show you why soon. So the first cut you're going to want to make is this side here. And then you pull it over. Always pull it over. You have to, or else you'll have a gap. And then you cut this side. I pull it this way as well. I pull it both ways. Some people don't. I like to. This way I don't pull a lot though. Very little. The next step is to tack it down. Get rid of all the excess. Excess can catch and cause the tint to move. So you always have to get rid of excess when you roll it down. Then you're going to do the top side. The next step is to get rid of the excess here. So take a straight edge. So the next step in making this car super easy is removing the door panel. So we're gonna roll the window down. This out first. Pop the panel. So the next step is to clean the window. So first I'm going to take a blade, remove this sticker. Never tint over a sticker. Never. Get rid of that glue. I take a scrub pad and scrub the whole window. Next, squeegee. Now it's time for install. So spray it. You gotta make sure you get down in here too. This is where you have to be super careful. Likes to move a lot. I always put a lot of soap in my bottle when this is called bottom loading, because the tint catches very easily. It's stuck. Now I'm gonna let this sit, I'm not gonna touch it. So I just let this sit and tack up for about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna give it another squeegee. This time I'm gonna push pretty hard and get all the water out. I use this for the sides. Now I have to make sure that it's not moving. It looks like it's not, so now we're gonna roll it up. Spray it. And that's how you tint a window on a BMW X3. I'm gonna show you guys how to put this back together, and I'm gonna show you guys the outside result. you can't forget our Tint Safe Auto Lovers Essentials glass cleaner. 2 sprays. Clean microfiber. Just like that. That's how you tint a roll down window. No gaps. If you're wondering where you could get our Tint Safe Auto Lovers Essentials glass cleaner, it is on autoloversessentials.com, and it is also on the TikTok shop. Check it out. Subscribe, like, comment. Let us know what else you guys want to see.